Introduction to dictionaries. Dictionaries in Python are a powerful data structure that allow you to store and retrieve key value pairs. In this tutorial, we'll explore various operations you can perform with dictionaries. Accessing values. To access a value in a dictionary, you can use the corresponding key. In this example, we'll retrieve the value of the name key from the student dictionary. Modifying values. You can modify the value associated with a key in a dictionary. Let's change the value of the age key in the student dictionary. Adding new key value pairs. You can add new key value pairs to a dictionary. Here, we'll add the GPA key and its corresponding value to the student dictionary. Checking key existence. You can check if a specific key exists in a dictionary using the in operator. Let's check if the major key exists in the student dictionary. Removing key value pairs. You can remove a key value pair from a dictionary using the del keyword. Here, we'll remove the age key and its value from the student dictionary. Dictionary length. You can find the number of key value pairs in a dictionary using the len function. Let's determine the length of the student dictionary. Dictionary methods. Dictionaries come with various built-in methods that provide additional functionality. Let's use the keys method to retrieve all the keys in the student dictionary. Dictionary iteration. You can iterate over a dictionary using a for loop. In this example, we'll iterate over the student dictionary and print each key value pair. Dictionaries are a versatile data structure in Python that allow you to store and manipulate key value pairs. By mastering dictionary operations, you can efficiently organize and retrieve data in your Python programs.